How you doing? Welcome back. My name is Rick and this is Winder's Ranger. Just a short little update video. I was looking at the fan in the bathroom there this morning, and it dawned on me the trim work that I did, that I could use a white silicone, or maybe use a white silicone to try to go around those edges and kind of clean that up, make it look a little bit better, and maybe tighten up those edges with the silicone, kind of cover that up. So while I was at the store today, I picked up a tube of white silicone. So the white silicone adhesive is nothing fancy. Didn't need a whole lot. I've actually got a tube a lot bigger than what I need. So I put a little bit on there, and I think it seems to have done the trick. It filled in the cracks and crevices that were pretty obvious with the shoddy trim work that I did. So let me take you up there. I'll show you how this turned out. So there's the finished product. I went around the bottom edge of all the trim and in all the corners. We'll go and turn around this way so you can see the other side here. I don't think it turned out too bad. It's drying. It's kind of not quite as white as the trim itself here, but it seems to fill in those gaps pretty good. Now, I didn't want to do this upper edge at all, because over here, I guess the fan must be offset just a little bit, and it's not perfectly square in the hole, and there's some overlap between the edge of the fan housing and the trim. So if I ever need to take off the fan screen, there's a little pull tab here where you can do that, but I'll have to take the trim off first to get that out, and I want to be able to do that. So I didn't caulk around those upper edges there. I just wanted to leave that open, so that way the trim and the trim that I did will all be one piece, and then I can just take the screws out of all four corners and just pull this trim piece down, and then I can pull the screen out whenever I need to clean the screen or the fan blades. So I don't know, I think it turned out okay. Looks a whole lot better than it did, so a lot cleaner job now. So there you go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.